We built this playhouse for our son so we can have some privacy. He shares a bedroom with us. The playhouse is his sacred space.
Buddy, it's too hot. You can't be in here.
It is. It's not hot.
Buddy, it's 112 degrees in here.
What is it?
Yeah, you can't be in here, bud.
Why?
It's too hot.
I want to be in here.
For this year's Earth Day, I'm going to air condition the playhouse. Air conditioning, you say? How does air conditioning protect the environment? Well, this particular air conditioning system is environmentally friendly in two ways. For one, we're going to power the AC using solar energy via these portable 220-watt EcoFlow solar panels and this EcoFlow Delta Max power station with an extra battery. Solar panels charge the Delta Max and the extra battery. Delta Max and the extra battery power the AC, I hope. Which is to say, renewable energy powers the AC, I hope. The second way this system is environmentally friendly: energy conservation. Playhouse, 288 cubic feet to cool down. Our house, 10,000 cubic feet to cool down. Cooling the 288 cubic foot playhouse with solar panels, power station, and a 5,000 BTU AC will consume a fraction of the energy our central air unit consumes to cool our 10,000 cubic foot house. And during heat waves like this one, air conditioning is not optional. It's a safety precaution, just like those cooling centers they have for vulnerable folks in the big cities. Now, I don't really know if the solar panels and power station can keep up with the AC. This is just an idea I had. I did zero research and didn't even read the instructions, but we'll worry about that later. These are EcoFlow's portable solar panels. They come with this carrying case. They're bifacial, which means both sides of the panel capture sunlight to convert it to electricity. There's translucent little slits that the sun shines through. The light bounces off of the case or whatever else is behind the panels. And the photovoltaic cells on the back of the panels capture the reflected light as well. These panels plug into each other so you can multiply your energy harnessing capability. My Delta Max can handle up to 4 panels of input, but I think 2 will do the trick. These are the portable panels for camping or van life, but I'm going to make them semi-permanent by lashing them to the roof. I mounted the panels to these 2x2s from the lumber yard, hoping the cells on the back can get a little bit of the light that shines through. You just plug the panels into each other, then plug them into the power station. It's obvious. Zero electrician knowledge required, thank God. And AC, man, that's asking a lot of the sun, but I guess we'll see. So for you metric people, I am trying to cool the playhouse down from 32 degrees Celsius to room temperature, which is about 20 degrees Celsius. So less than 30 minutes to cool down the entire Playhouse. Let's see how much energy the air conditioner sucked up. So, wow, it still has 95% on the EcoFlow and 98% on the spare battery. So 95%, 98%, that's what's left in the batteries. Half an hour, so that's, let's say 10 hours. It'll run 10 hours, but it's not hot for 10 hours. And the sun will charge these things, I think, up to 80% in 8 hours, if I remember correctly. So solar-powered Playhouse. 30 minutes of maximum air conditioning depleted about 3.5% of the power station's energy storage. And the sun will charge the power station up to 10% or more per hour. In other words, the kid ain't gonna overheat and he ain't gonna deplete the power station. You're not supposed to leave the power station outside, I don't think, so I built this little Kyoto roof and platform to protect it from the elements. The boy's on spring break visiting Grandma right now, but when he gets home, why, he'll be cool as a cucumber in a bowl of hot sauce, to quote a phrase. Thank you, EcoFlow, for sponsoring this episode. Join the EcoFlow Earth Day event. EcoFlow will plant a tree for anyone who purchases the unit from the EcoFlow website from April 22nd to April 25th. Check out EcoFlow's site by link in the description to get these amazing products. This week on the Patreon, a live stream answering your questions. The link is right there.